Hello, beautiful people. I'm going to show you guys the tape trick. I know I showed you with on the other quilt that I was doing, but I wanted to show you how I do it when I'm doing something like this. These little triangles are in my strips that go like this, right? And then I have them along here. But when you flip it up, it jiggles and it moves. This is just scrap that I'm using, so nothing's cut flat. But what I've done is I take the flat edge here, the straight edge, and I put it on this black line. Then I take the triangle, and because I know I want room up here, I'm coming way over to ensure that I have a big space here. Then I line up, make sure this is straight here, and then I line this straight up and down here with about a 1/4 inch overhang down here. Then I take the tape and I tape it like that. You can pin it at this point if you want to. I haven't been doing that, and it seems to be fine. So see here, I've got about a 1/4 inch between here and here. Move the tape. Fold this over. And it should line up pretty close. You should have minimal loss, minimal overhang down here. You know, you could adjust that if you want. You can cut it off. However, it depends. It's your project, however you want it. But I have found that this works with less jiggling around, less movement. When I go to stick those pins in for whatever reason, the whole thing shifts, and then I'm off by a lot, or I turn out to be slanted or crooked or, you know, whatever sometimes. So I found that this tape trick really has helped with just keeping the whole thing in place and clean. It's a nice clean line. You know, I know this isn't really a straight edge over here, but then you can take it and you can trim it off. And it's just a tiny little bit that you're going to be taking off. Tiny bit. I hope this helps. Please give me a thumbs up and a like and a share and a subscribe and all the good things. And we are working on, I say we, but it's just me. Working on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Of course, after that, what is it? 5,000 or 3,000? I don't know. It's, you know, I really wish I had started the journey many, many, many years ago. And I thought, oh, I could do that. And my kids would tell me, you could do that. But I was just like, meh. You know, timing is everything. So y'all have a beautiful day, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.